In this tough climate, you're going to have to put in the best application you can to get a vacation scheme placement or a training contract. Legal Recruit is designed for busy law students anywhere in the world who have access to a fast internet connection and who want to shine at online testing in these applications. Make sure you know what is involved by contacting the Careers Unit and even the Learning Support Officer as early on as possible during the assessment period. Psychometric testing is a method used to assist the measuring of cognitive abilities such as reasoning, problem-solving, decision-making, interpersonal skills and important personal attributes of an individual. In all cases, the emphasis is very much on looking at your motivation to become a first-class lawyer and evidence of key competencies. Law firms don't vary much in their key competencies and shared values, and it's really worth you looking at these on their website. Non-law students will not be at a disadvantage during this assessment process. Here's what you'll see if you do the Legal Recruit verbal reasoning test. There's an enormous bank of questions, and your test will be especially compiled for you as an individual. No person gets exactly the same test. You can have a go at all our tests in a safe environment, and nobody apart from you will ever know the results. Carefully designed so that you can achieve a realistic test experience, the aim of this initiative is to help you understand the assessment process so that you can shine at it. The Legal Recruit website has a huge amount of information available for free in its fact sheets. You can download them and print them off. You can also download books containing worked examples and watch a number of educational videos like this. If you have any queries or suggestions about these questions, you're more than welcome to email us at inquiries@legal-recruit.org. What happens is usually this. A law student will submit an application form to a corporate firm before the deadline. That firm will say, "Great, we'd like you to do an online psychometric test." The law student, who is busily working on his or her coursework, maybe for a GDL, LPC or law degree, may not have time to prioritise the psychometric test. The candidate then does it in such a rush they don't feel too good about it at all. The law firm soon contacts the candidate to say that on the basis of the application form and the psychometric test, the graduate recruitment team would like to invite them for an interview, or not. The thing is, you can make life much easier for yourself by becoming good at these online assessments. Legal Recruit offers learning materials for the verbal reasoning test and the situational judgement test, two of the most commonly used forms of assessment by law firms. The verbal reasoning test is very similar in format to the most commonly used types by SHL Direct and Connexca. You should check with your law firms what types of tests you'll be doing so that you can prepare most effectively for them. Whatever test you have to do, you should read all the instructions and questions carefully. Do the reasoning practice questions until you get them all right. Your level of familiarity with the testing format is considered to be a factor in your ultimate level of success. Work through the test accurately, obeying any time limit. For verbal reasoning tests, it's worth checking what the outcome measure is. It's often simply the number correct and not how fast you do the test. Situational judgment tests are often untimed. Make sure that you record answers in the correct way as advised in the instructions for the assessment. You should also pay particular attention as to whether you can go back between questions in the actual test. Sometimes when you record your answer, you can't actually go back at a later stage to change it. You can't go back in any of our tests, but you should check the rules for your real assessments. We hope you've enjoyed this brief Legal Recruit presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at inquiries@legal-recruit.org. To repeat, that's inquiries@legal-recruit.org.